Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to Tech Simba. This is Raju. Today I'm here to unboxing one of the budget tripod in the present market, Amazon Basics tripod. We can use this tripod for both DSLR and mobile phones, but if you want to use it for mobiles, you need to buy a separate mobile holder. I will tell you in this video. We will also get a carry bag along with this package. It is made up with good fabric and also easy to carry out. Okay, let me open this. Here we go, Amazon Basics lightweight tripod. This tripod minimum height is 25 inches, that is without expanding, and with expanding 60 inches. I am expanding 2 steps. In case if you want to change the camera mode, that is landscape mode to portrait mode, this will help you to change that mode. I will show you in the practical at the end of this video. This is mobile holder clip for this tripod. You won't get this clip along with this package. You have to buy this separately. I have given link in the description. This is mounting clip for mounting cameras, mobiles. Okay, lock. I am mounting my mobile. I don't have DSLR camera, so I am using this for my mobile. This smooth rotating. Look at this. 360 degrees from left to right. You can adjust with this help of handle, and also you can lock this. I am changing camera mode landscape to portrait. I already told you the video. You can change this camera mode with the help of this clip. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel because it will help me to do more videos. Thank you so much.